Welcome to HungryNaki University, an educational platform to help you learn, earn, and grow with us. In this video, we will be giving you an overview of the latest feature for the Seller app, Notification Center. We have been providing updates on our sellers via email or SMS. But from now on, you will also be able to receive all important updates in your HungryNaki device or Seller app through Notification Center. Notification Center is a feature that provides an overview of alerts from HungryNaki team. It displays notifications as a pop-up on the device screen until our sellers view it. If you want to check the message immediately, press View Now. If you want to view it later, press View Later. View Now. When you press View Now, you will be able to see the entire message along with photos. Also, some notification will have clickable buttons through which you can sign up to be a part of exciting campaigns, initiatives, newsletters, and more. View Later. When you press View Later, your message will be stored in the notification bar of your option panel as unread. You can click and view any unread or even previously read messages from this option. We hope this helps. To learn more, check the videos and playlist available in this channel.